Hi guys, okay, today we talk about a thing that you use every day with your battery, but you won't notice about it until it spoil. What's that? Battery, battery. Okay, a lot of people ask why we change battery is cheaper than the so-called official place. Let me explain to you. When you come to us with a, let's say, a battery issue, let's say they'll come up with a message saying that replace battery or replace now, you just change the battery. This is an old battery that we have removed from a customer MacBook. We just change the battery. But the official side, the official guys, rather than changing the battery alone, they change the whole lower case. This is what we call the lower case. The whole thing here is lower case. Let me show you what's included with the lower case. All right? Okay guys, let me show you what's inside. What's considered lowercase part. Alright, as you can see here, this is the battery. Okay, in front here is the touchpad. So, oops. So when they change the lowercase, means you will be changing a new keyboard, a new trackpad, speakers. These both are speakers. Alright, means they will order a new lowercase for you, which comes with a new battery already. They will move your fan, if you have one, the logic board, and the so-called the charging port and the USB port, all over to the new case. They use back your old bottom case because your bottom case have the serial number and the model here, which can't be changed. So that's why when you go to the official site to change a battery, you will get a totally new lower case. That's the higher price. While for us, you just change the battery. If you think you just want a new battery replacement, you can look for people like us. But if you feel like you want a new keyboard, a new trackpad, a new speaker, and a new case, then you can go to the official site. All right? Understand?